regret it if I take you home. You'll pay me children until they feel tired. Mom and daddy will be happy at home, because they in your marriage would enjoy at home. No, I'll never regret it if I take you home. You'll pay me children until they feel tired. Mom and daddy will be happy at home, because they in your marriage would enjoy at home. Will it please stay like this? Oh, I beg you, ma. I have never felt like this. No way, it's my first time. I just feel so sad if I don't see you. To make it through the day without you, my, it's so hard. I don't want to spend an hour without you. I don't want to take one more breath without you. I don't want to put a spoon in my mouth without you.